Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome to another grocery haul video. In today's video, I have mostly some Aldi things. I had actually planned on doing my whole grocery shopping at Aldi this week, but there were some things they didn't have, so I had to get some things at Walmart as well. The total I ended up spending here was about $220. So I'm going to go through, I'm going to give you the points and calories for most everything. Sometimes I forget to give the calories, but if it's 0 point items like fruits and vegetables, I won't give. Obviously those are 0 on Weight Watchers, but if you are counting calories, of course it just depends on how much you eat of those. So I'm going to start down here with my Aldi haul. I think I have most of the Walmart stuff at the other end. So starting here, I got some celery. I just got a little bag of Italian salad blend because I still have some romaine left in my fridge, so I'll just combine that. I also got some real baby carrots. These ones are the smallest ones I think I've ever seen. Let me see if I can get a... Look how small those are. They are very small. I got some green onion, some yellow squash, some Brussels sprouts. I actually got some frozen Brussels sprouts somewhere. Yeah, I've got a bag of frozen Brussels sprouts over there too. And then some zucchini, some bananas. They had these ready to roast Mediterranean vegetables. I thought I would try these. They look really good. And these scanned out at 0. And for calories, 60 calories for 4 ounces. I got a thing of chopped kale, some canned chicken breast. So for canned chicken breast, I actually like this in with salads. Actually, I like this in with a lot of things. I know there's some people who just absolutely cannot stand canned chicken breast, but I like it if it's the premium. It has to say white premium chunk, otherwise I don't like it. So if you're counting calories, that's 60 calories for 2 ounces, 0 points on Weight Watchers. I got some skipjack tuna, 0 points on Weight Watchers, and 110 calories for the can. I can't remember if I said the tomatoes and the cucumbers, little mini cucumbers. And then I got a couple things of peppers. I go through a lot of peppers, a lot of zucchini, and a lot of squash because I usually cut those all up, and I usually have those a lot of times for breakfast. I'll either cook them up in the pan or roast them. I go through a lot of those. And let's see, then I got some strawberries, I got some kiwi, some blueberries, and I think that's it for the fruits and vegetables. And then continuing with 0 points, I got some diced tomatoes, some French style green beans, some kidney beans, and some black beans. Watch your beans. Some beans are not 0. In fact, I'm not sure if these are, but I always count my beans as 0 just because I always wash and rinse them first. So I count all mine as 0, but double check because not all of them are 0 points. Also 0 points back there, I got a big bag of chicken tenderloins, just the boneless, skinless chicken tenderloins. So that pretty much, oh, my eggs. I got a thing of eggs. I went ahead and got the organic cage free because honestly, these are the same price as regular ones anyway. So we all know what the price of eggs are now. All right, so I think that's pretty much most of the 0. If there's any more, we'll get there on the way. All right, I got some orange juice. That's the 50 calorie orange juice, Fit and Active. For that, it is 2 points for 1 cup, or you can actually have 6 ounces for 1 point. And of course, calories, 50 calories for 1 cup. The potatoes, I didn't talk about those because those are not 0. These are 2 points for 2/3 of a cup. And if you're counting calories, it's 60 calories for 2/3 of a cup. I got some tartar sauce, 3 points for, I think, 2 tablespoons. Yeah, 3 points for 2 tablespoons and 70 calories. They have this marinara. Let me know if you've tried this kind. I'm trying to find a marinara that we like. So usually I use just regular Prego pasta sauce for things that call for marinara. But I'm trying to get more of that authentic taste. I love, love, love making my own pasta sauce, and I've mentioned this so many times. I just have not taken the time to make it, so I definitely need to do that. But this is Simply Nature marinara. This is 1 point for half a cup and 50 calories. And there's no added sugars. 6 grams of sugar, but no added sugars. Here I got some mussels in their natural juices. So they have the garlic butter, and they also have some in, I think it's tomato sauce with garlic or something. But I thought maybe these would be 0, but they are scanning out at 2. They actually don't have them in the app. It looks like somebody built them and they're coming up as 2, but they are 110 calories for 5 ounces or 2 points for a half of the package, which is 5 ounces. And also got some shredded hash browns back there. Those are 2 points for 2/3 of a cup. And calories, I think, is 110. Oh, 90 calories for 2/3 of a cup. All right, April. April had asked me if I've ever tried the frozen avocado chunks. So if you have tried these, put a comment down below. Let us know. Are they just like regular avocados? Like, do you notice a difference? So I've not tried these. I usually buy just regular whole avocados, but I'm anxious to give these a try. So April, I will let you know what I think of them. So for these, it's half a cup is 3 points and 190 calories for 3/4 of a cup. And I already mentioned my frozen Brussels sprouts. I also got some organic brown rice and quinoa. What is it? Fusilli? I think that's how you say that. 6 points for 2/3 of a cup and 200 calories. Also got some, it's basically Aldi's version of Splenda back there. Some olive oil cooking spray, non-fat Greek yogurt, that's 0 and 90 calories for 3/4 of a cup. My favorite feta. I love the President fat-free feta that's in the crumbles. That's 0 points for half an ounce, so I'll like add some of that into my eggs or something. But this feta is honestly the best. It tastes so good. And this is 2 points for 1 ounce and 60 calories. Also got some white cheddar. This is 5 points for 1 ounce and 110 calories. Some light sour cream, 1 point for 1 tablespoon and 40 calories for 2 tablespoons. Garlic hummus, 1 point for 2 tablespoons and 70 calories. Some 1/3 less fat cream cheese, 3 points for 2 tablespoons and 70 calories. Also got some ground chicken, 4 points for 4 ounces. And thought the calories were on the front. Calories, 160 calories for 4 ounces. Some Appleton Farm ham slices. These are basically kind of like Canadian bacon. 1 point for 2 ounces or 60 calories. I got a thing of salmon, 0 points, and I don't even know what the calories on salmon is. 250 calories for 4 ounces. I also got some of these snack sticks. They're turkey sausage. I like to get these once in a while just to have. These are 1 point for 1 ounce. No, not an ounce. 1 point for 1 stick or 3 points for 2 sticks. And this is the size of them. So you can see them compared to my thumb. Of course, I have short fingers, so that's not telling much. All right, then I got a couple things of Oven Classic turkey breast. Those are 0 points. And for calories, I can't read even with my glasses on. 60 calories for 2 slices, which is 2 ounces. I also got some protein yogurt. They haven't been having this lately, so I haven't gotten it in a while. I think this used to be 2 points for a cup. And look at the size of these cups. They're pretty big. But when I scanned it, it's now scanning at 1 point on the new program. So 1 point per cup, and for calories, 100 calories per cup. And each one is 15 grams of protein. And then I got, they didn't have these the last time I was there either. These are protein, like protein wraps. And it's 12 grams of protein for each wrap, 120 calories, and 2 points for 1 wrap. All right, I think that was it for Aldi. And then for Walmart, I needed some water, so I got some more water. I also got this popcorn. So on Weight Watchers, popcorn is now 0 points for air popped popcorn. And if you're counting calories, this kind is 110 calories for 2 tablespoons unpopped, or 20 calories per 1 cup air popped. So this is white popcorn. We've always used yellow popcorn, so let me know in the comments below which one you use. They say that the white, that health-wise, they're both about the same. They have both the same nutritional values or whatever. But they say that the white is like a little bit smaller. It's not as puffy as the yellow. And the yellow, like if you're loading it with, say, like chocolate and things like that, the yellow is more sturdy, whereas the white is kind of more delicate, I guess. But they say that if you have any kind of gastrointestinal disease or, you know, any GI upset, anything like that, they say that this kind is a lot more easier on your gut. So let me know if you like this popcorn, if you've tried this popcorn, if you have any GI issues that you notice a difference with this, let me know in the comments. And then I also got some fat-free cottage cheese, so I've mentioned over and over again. You all know my favorite cottage cheese is the Good Culture cottage cheese. I prefer to take the points because I really like it. But this cottage cheese, the fat-free cottage cheese, is great for adding some protein to recipes. So I've just been getting this to keep in my fridge, and I add it to eggs, or I'll add it to maybe a pasta recipe that calls for, you know, ricotta cheese or something. So I've been doing that. So 0 points on Weight Watchers, 70 calories for half a cup. Also got some Polio part skim mozzarella. That's 3 points for an ounce and 70 calories. Also got some unsweetened almond milk. They didn't have any unsweetened almond milk at Aldi. Well, they did, but it was the vanilla kind, and I just wanted the plain kind this time. So this one, 1 point for 1 cup. You can actually have 7 ounces for 0, and for calories, 30 calories per cup. I also got a thing of ground turkey breast, 0 points on Weight Watchers, and 120 calories for 4 ounces. And some extra lean ground beef. This is 140 calories for 4 ounces, or 3 points. So I'm going to stick this clip in somewhere. These I had in my freezer already. I forgot to take them out for the video. And then these I had over on my counter. So these are chicken egg rolls. They're feel-good foods. I haven't had these before, so let me know if you've tried them and if you like them. But they're only 3 points for an egg roll. So I'm anxious to give them a try. And these are 110 calories for 1 egg roll. And then I also got some Joseph's pita bread. This is 1 point, and for calories, it's 60 calories. And finally, let me know if you've tried these. These are light and fit protein. They're like protein yogurt smoothies. This is the strawberry banana kind. When I searched this in the Weight Watchers app, it said 1 point, but when I actually scanned it, it was 2. So it might have been when I was searching it, I was pulling up something a little bit different. But 2 points for a whole bottle. The bottles are 7 ounces, I think. Yeah, 7 fluid ounces, 2 points, and 80 calories. And then they don't have any, for those of you watching, added sugars. They have no added sugars. There's 7 grams of natural sugar in it. And it's got 10 grams of protein, 5 grams of fiber. So I'm anxious to try these. So that's my grocery haul for this week. As always, I appreciate the thumbs up on my videos, and if you're new, I would love for you to be part of the family. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.